It only took 30 days for this girl to make her first $10,000. But there's one thing you should know about her. She is not even real. She's completely AI generated. The owner of this account have never shown their face, but they're still making that sweet Wi-Fi money from brand deals and digital products. I've personally made over $100,000 in the past year with my own AI influencer here on YouTube, and I believe that in the next few years, every personal brand and business will have their own AI influencer. And to show you how easy it is to get started with this, I created this AI influencer with perfect consistency, and in this video, I will break down exactly how I did it so you also can capitalize on this AI gold rush. But there's more to it, because right now, the biggest brands in the industry, like OpenArt and 11 Labs, just launched a competition together where you can compete with your own AI influencer for a $90,000 prize pool. I'll show you exactly how to join later on in this video, but first, you need to know how to actually create your own AI influencer. You don't need to look like a fashion model or have an expensive lifestyle to become an influencer anymore. Literally anyone can get millions of followers and make tens of thousands of dollars per month from their laptop with an influencer that doesn't even exist. However, the reason 99% of people fail when starting an AI influencer is because they all make the mistake of not knowing how to prompt and keep character consistency. But what if I told you you don't even need to know how to prompt? Not a lot of people know about it, but a new tool was just released that literally does all the hard work, and it's still super untapped. This one lets you create your very own AI influencer, keep character consistency, and you don't need any prompting experience. Using this tool, I created 3 different AI influencers just to show you what's possible today with the power of AI. First, we have Chase, a red pill influencer with millions of young, impressionable men following him. He lives in a $2 million Miami penthouse and spends his days streaming and gambling. He's hanging around with high-status influencers and is often seen in Nelk vlogs and on streams together with Clavicular. Every night, he goes to the most high-status clubs in Miami, and sometimes, he even brings a bird with him home. Then we have Sable, a fashion influencer living in Los Angeles, often seen on fashion shows together with huge celebrities like Kylie Jenner. Her favorite activity is swiping daddy's credit card on shopping and drinking matches on Rodeo Drive. And lastly, we got Jason, a travel influencer spending his days reviewing first-class airplane seats for a living. All the airplane companies would kill to get a good review from this guy. He's eating on the most exclusive restaurants and travel the world while making millions of dollars doing it. So, if you want to know how I created these influencers with only a few minutes of work and without even writing a single prompt, let's get into it. To do all of this, you're gonna need to use OpenArt. They have the feature I'm using to create these influencers, and it's a complete game changer. I'll leave a link to OpenArt in the description if you want to try it out for yourself. It is an affiliate link, so if you sign up, I receive a small commission, which is what makes it possible for me to create these videos and give you all this information for free. So thank you in beforehand. Once you're inside OpenArt, the first thing you want to do is go to Character, click on Create Character, and you'll access the AI Influencer tool. From here, you can either start with an image or generate it completely from scratch, or as I like to do, use the Build Your Character feature. With this feature, you can customize your influencer into the slightest details without writing any complicated prompts. You can just build your own influencer with the exact characteristics you want in there, like niche, gender, ethnicity, and age. Then click on Generate, and just like that, we've created our very own fashion influencer. And from here, if we just add in an extra prompt, we can actually make her come to life. That was done using Kling 3.0, which I'll show you exactly how to do later on in this video. But before we get into that, let me break down how to avoid the mistake that leads to 99% of people giving up on this, which is to generate consistent images of your influencer. Most tutorials will show you how to do this by using some crazy prompt and 10 different reference images. And sure, that might work, but it's gonna be a headache to deal with in the long run, and eventually, the results are gonna get inconsistent. However, by using the character feature in OpenArt, this problem is actually already solved, and you can generate any image you like of your influencer without having to write a prompt. To do this, go to the left and click on Characters, then hover over your influencer and click on Character Image. Now, as you can see, OpenArt will automatically add a character tag into the prompt box, so the AI already knows what our influencer looks like. You don't need any prompt description, reference image, or anything like that. All you gotta do is enter a prompt describing the image you want of your influencer, and it will be generated with perfect consistency. Let's choose Nano Banana Pro and enter a prompt saying, Sable sitting down having a nice Sunday lunch with a matcha in her hand. She's at a restaurant on Rodeo Drive in Los Angeles with a fashionable outfit. UGC shot on an iPhone 15 Pro. Now, hit generate, and it created an image with the exact same person, but changed the environment as described. Same face, same structure, and no complicated prompts needed. So instead of wasting thousands of credits, you can just add this tag and get consistent character results on every generation. Just add the same character tag every time and change the prompt. Only by knowing about this one feature, you're literally ahead of 99% of people and have bypassed the biggest obstacle of all. To give you an idea of how to use this feature correctly, something that can require some prompting is getting consistent backgrounds. In order to get consistent backgrounds across multiple scenes, I'm using this prompt. So what you want to do is paste in this prompt, upload an image of your influencer as a reference, and generate it with Nano Banana. What this prompt will do is that it'll generate a 3x3 grid with 9 different images with 9 different backgrounds while keeping the character the exact same. So you basically get 9 images in one. Then you just upload it as a reference. Ask it to upscale the image you want, and Nano Banana will generate that one image alone. If you want the exact same prompts as I'm using, you'll find all of them inside my free community. Now you know how to create your influencer and create a consistent character, but no influencers are going to survive only posting images, so we're gonna need to bring them to life with motion. But before we get into that, there's something you need to know about that you're not gonna want to miss out on if you plan on taking this seriously. So, a couple of days ago, OpenArt launched a competition together with FanView and 11 Labs called AI Personality Rewards. So essentially, all the biggest players in the industry are putting this together. Here's how it works. It's actually super simple. First, you want to create your own influencer on OpenArt and launch all the socials like Instagram, TikTok, and X. Then start posting content with your influencer and tag OpenArt and FanView in your upload. You'll then be a part of the personality rewards and have a chance to win a part of a $90,000 prize pool. If you're new to the space, this is a huge opportunity you're not going to want to miss out on. So if you want more information about how to be a part of this, you can apply through the link in the description. But if you want to have a chance at this, you're going to need to know how to create videos with your influencer. Here we got our travel influencer Jason, and we want to create a video of him reviewing an airplane seat. To do this, let's head over to the Video Generation tab. Upload your reference image, choose Kling 3.0 as your generator model, and enter a prompt describing in detail what you want to happen in the video. For example, I entered a prompt saying, a travel influencer filming an airplane review vlog on an Emirates first-class seat. He's speaking confidently into the camera. Next, set the duration to whatever you want and the resolution to 1080 to get the best possible quality. Now hit generate, and that got me a result like this.
You guys, the legroom is absolutely massive and the service is top tier. This is the gold standard.
So this is probably as hard as you can make it with all the details in this video, but still most people would not be able to tell it's AI generated. And keep in mind that creating videos like this was literally not possible only 6 months ago. But for someone like Sable, who is a fashion influencer mostly doing outfit checks, creating videos like this is a lot easier. Simply upload a reference image and enter a prompt describing the movement you want. In this case, I wrote, a fashion influencer doing an outfit check showing off the clothes she's wearing, and then it generated this. Now lastly, we have my favorite method, which is to use motion control. Let's say you want your influencer to do a specific movement, but you can't get it to work just by prompting. Then motion control is super powerful, because you can then upload a video of the movement you want your influencer to do together with a reference video, and it'll create a video of your influencer doing that exact movement. So I found this video of Clavicular, who's huge on social media right now, and wanted to add this motion together with our frat influencer Chase. To access this feature, you want to click on Motion Sync. Then you can directly choose what influencer you want to add the motion to, so I'll just pick Chase here. Then upload the video with the motion you want to replicate and hit generate. As you can see, the movement is spot on to the original video, and we didn't even need a prompt to create it. And the funny thing is that some people have been able to create entire careers and make thousands of dollars with this feature. This kid, for example, is getting millions and millions of views posting simple videos of him using this feature. All of this was done inside of OpenArt, so I'll leave a link to it in the description if you want to create your own AI influencer. But before I let you get started with your own AI influencer, there's something you need to hear about if you're about to take this seriously. You now have everything you need to get started with your own AI influencer. However, there's still a lot of things I'm not able to cover in these videos on YouTube that you should know about, like how to create viral videos with your influencer and how to actually monetize it. So if you want to know more about this stuff, I go a lot deeper into it in Monetized Society, which is my free community. In there, you can chat with me one-on-one, talk to other like-minded people, and learn how to kill it with your AI influencer. It's completely free, so make sure you join right now and I'll see you in there.